everyone, today we are going for a visit to the ceramic studio. They have used amazing collection of kitchenware, fittings, tiles, sanitary ware. Along with it, we will learn so many new things. The owner of the ceramic studio, Mr. Tushar Rathore sir, he will explain each and everything in detail in very easy way. Thanks for the amazing session, Mr. Tushar Rathore sir. This video is with full of information, must watch without skipping a bit. This ceramic studio is located in Chulai, Chennai. If you are from Chennai, you must heard about this place. It is a hub for interior and stuff. Before continue, do subscribe Space Stereo and click on the bell icon. You can give your feedback in comment section. So people, let's learn something new today.
Next, we'll see the kitchen sinks. Before planning kitchen, you have to plan all the work, how you're going to work in the kitchen. You are doing the furniture with the granite, plywoods. Accordingly, you have to match the thing. So, kitchen sink consists of two materials. One is SS stainless steel and the quartz material. In quartz, Carosil was a leading brand, and still there are many brands, including Carosil. In SS, you get two products. One is the handmade sinks and the punch sink. If you see this, these are all punch sinks. You get the size of 18 by 16, 12 by 12, and the size goes 3 feet, double bowl with drain board. So as per client's requirement, if you see a Marwadi client or Rajasthani client, they require big bowl. So they require something bigger like 2.5 feet or 2 feet, because we have like big bowls and everything. So if you go Tamil also, they require this. But if we see the working class who are working in IT jobs, so they have limited vessels. So they require quick cleaning and quick drying. So you can recommend them with sink with a drain board. Drain boards, what's happened? It just water drains on the board and it goes to the sink. So for steel is a regular one which people love, and nowadays the modular concepts are came. So with that we have a black sink, which is a Nera metallic black, and you have a 5 to 10 colors. If you see Nera, ivory, then that's a chrome, that's a concrete, brown cappuccino color. So it's depend on the how platform what you're selecting. You're selecting granite, on that you can match. So people are now more into matching of the time. Okay. For this you're saying I have took the black faucets, black basin, but I require a black faucet. So we have a black faucet also. So this is a black faucet of Carosil. It will be on the option will be on the right. So this is a black faucet with a pull-out option. So it's any sink tap. Just note that the tap should be swivel. It should move, not the fixed one. What happens while putting the utensil inside the sink? It shouldn't fit. You can move, you can keep. So that flexibility should be there. Then this is a pull-out one. If you pull this thing, this will come out. So it makes easy to clean the vessels and everything. Again, if you see in this, it has two flows. One is a regular foam flow, and if you press this button, it will this will become a spray flow. So spray helps you to spreadability and the movement of the waste. If you see, this is a hot and cold. So many people not it is in North India, there is a hot water usage is more. So this is terms of hot and cold. But in Chennai, what we have two types of water. One is bore water and one is corporation water. So finally giving same connection in this only. So this is one option. Then we have one more tap. Okay, and it has the same hot and cold option. And this is still one. This one is eye drop option. This can be used for the wash basins, kitchen sinks. While looking for a modular kitchen, then you can recommend this model also. If this is an imported one, this comes around 7,500 to 8,000 rupees. If you go for the branded one, it will be expensive. This is one of the. It can be used as a kitchen sink also and wash basins also. So these are the kitchen thing. And nowadays, what happened? The food waste, which people are having the food waste. They say it go to drain, all chawal, rice and everything. So there is a food crusher. There is a food crusher which we can recommend for the hotels, big restaurants, and also the residential sites who are facing that problem. So what happens, as you press the button, the waste will go inside the crusher, it will crush, it will turn the food waste into liquid form. fluid form and will go throughout and the drainage will not block. So in kitchen you can recommend food crusher also. In Carousel they have food crusher for both commercial and residential purpose. Overall summarizing, for sinks, kitchen, you have to plan taps in two formats. Either table mounted taps or wall mounted taps. In wall mounted, how you are going to place the tap? Because nowadays there are 2 to 3 taps the people are putting. One for the corporation water, bore water, and another third one is for the loft tank. For that also they put the provision nowadays. In flats, the provision has came. Then sink, what nowadays people go for dual sink. So this is a 24/18 sinks, which is put outside in the balcony or the other area where all the utensils will be clean. And this put inside the kitchen. If you see nearby gas area to wash food grains and for everything, so that's the concept of putting the 2 sinks. One is the bigger one in the outside and the smaller one inside the sink kitchen. They want to clean the small plates and everything. So that's the purpose of 2 sinks. And in this you have to plan every outlet has to be planned in the wall or floor. So these are basic things you have to just keep in mind while selecting the sink and designing the sink area. This is the kitchen sinks. So there are 3 ways of installing the kitchen sinks. The 3 ways. One is under overmount. What happens on the slab? You are having the ring. You are sitting on the granite. So what happens? The water will not go inside. Second option is on wait. The second thing is on the level. So what happens? The granite and everything is installed, but you can't do undermount. So this is the undermount on the level and overmount. Undermount, what's happened? You get an extra depth of the granite or the stone. And one more thing is, it's easy to sweep. Water is on the platform. Just sweep it into sink. It drains in the sink. So not a worry. If it's a level, same system. But over the time, after 10-12 years, if there's a pinhole, water may drain down, and again you have to put that aerial light. That looks ugly. And undermount, overmount, no one's doing. So then in terms of installing the sinks. So just remember while selecting stone, granite or anything, select the sink as well. And 100% recommend undermount. What happens? You get the extra depth. If you are going for quartz, you get 8 inch depth only. If you are going for steel, you get 8, 9 and 10 inches. If you put this, you get extra depth. What lines ask? Depth is less, depth kammi hai. Simple. If you take that idli patra, the septic idli patra, how you will keep in the 24/18 sink? So that's the thing. So always first select the sink with the stone. No issue if you have brought a sink, it is installed, do it in the level. These are the 3 ways of installing the kitchen sinks. Okay, my personal suggestion. Recommend 24/18. 24/18 inch size. Why? Because it's a standard basin and a regular basin sink where any family, any size of family, it could be 4-member family or 10-member family, that's enough. You can put all the patras, big vessels, like what we have for idli vessels, idli cooker, big cooker, it will set inside. Now always have a platform, big platform or 2-3 feet extra platform to keep the vessels there. What happened? The stone is natural and hygienic. So it will be swept, it will be clean on the daily basis. So it will be a good that recommend 24/18 with a normal depth or extra depth, whatever the client requires. So it is recommended is 24/18. You will get extra space. Nowadays how the flats are adjusted. There's no luxurious flat. All flats are luxurious in their own way. But the kitchens are not that big. All small and medium kitchen. So you recommend 24/18, which is best for usage. You can go any color, any size, any shape. But the size shape is 2 feet by 1.5 feet, which is recommended because everyone are using. If you see a house also, you have that size only. It's easy for client to use and maintain also. So these are the kitchen sinks. If a tap gets leaking, what you will do? If a tap is closed only, but there's a problem is a tap, what you will do? What you will recommend as an interior? So any tap you try, the heart of the tap is spindle. The return is cartridge. Nowadays we have a cartridge. So this is the spindle. You have to remove this knob. The Allen key, you have to remove the cap, and then you have to remove this. There is a what happens? This is a ceramic spindle. Ceramic spindle. This is a ceramic spindle, half ton, quarter ton spindle, not a half ton. It's a quarter ton spindle. So over the time, the usage, it's natural. It will get damaged. So you have to spend this. This costs 150 to 200 rupees maximum. If you have knowledge, we can do at home itself. So you have to just spend 100 to 200 bucks, replace it, and the taps are ready. In kitchen also, what happens? Maids, whatever, they'll not do. We'll do like this. We'll operate like this. What do you do? They're hard. They can't do. They're habit with their nature. Their hands are rough. The pose is there. They'll keep on in the rough way only. So over the time, 2 years down the line, the spindle will get damaged. It will get rough. Just spin on the spindle. Close your main. Change the spindle and work done. Not to spin on whole tap. Because the tap pricing are going up. The tap minimum kitchen taps cost 2,000 rupees, 3,000 rupees. So these are the pure mounted options you can see. Many things are there. So all depends what client want on the taste. You can just recommend them. Just recommend them. Leave on them. Your thing is to guide them and give the knowledge of the product. Just give a knowledge. If they want or not, just leave on them. Otherwise, if we just pressure them, you go for this only. What they will think? They have something they want to put that only.